Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. Today, let us see the performance of the crude oil as well as in other script. So, before I continue, if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, join our Telegram group for free updates. So, now market is running. It is a live market. So, you all know how to add our indicator onto your chart. If you are new, once again I explain you from the scratch. So go here in the indicator. First you have to log on through tradingview.com, then go on to indicators, then go to favorite. So in the favorite you will be seeing our indicators added. Okay, you can choose MST Core 2.0 or MST iCore 2.3.0. So first I will show you with 2.0. So what happened in the morning? In the morning, see here, market has opened between our buy and sell entry. So I will enable the drawing panel. See here, market has opened here. I will take some bigger line. Yes, market has opened here. So we all know our strategy. Our strategy is very simple. If market is coming down first here, we will be entering for the buy entry. If market is going here first, we will be taking the sell entry. If buy activated, there is no sell that day until the SL of the buy entry is hit. Similarly, if sell activated, there is no buy until the SL of the sell is hit. Okay, this is very simple, very basic concept. So now what happened? At I will change the time. It is showing 6 o'clock. So plus 5:30 Kolkata. Right? So at 11:30 in the morning, the high made was 7190, and our sell entry is at 7192. So 2 points we missed. But we have told you in every videos that you can keep 3 points extra buffer. Okay, how to consider this level now? See here, 7190 is our 7190 is the high made, and our sell entry was 7192. So market has made only the high of 7190. So in the next candle, whatever is the high is made. See here, next candle high was 7177. So that 7177 is the open is the high price. You can take 7170 also, right, with the same SL. But what you can do, whichever is the difference point you have taken, that points you can add to the targets points. Okay, that is the thing. Suppose consider you have not taken this sell entry. You will be waiting for exactly buy entry. So buy entry SL hit, and immediately our second sell activated, and all the targets in the second sell has been hit. That's all. It's very simple. See here, suppose you have not taken the sell entry at 7190. Here you would have taken at 7127 buy entry, and immediately SL hit. Also all the targets have been hit. So this is very simple. So now market is going down. See here. So now we can increase the target size. So we have given small targets, normal targets, big targets, and big 2 targets also. So let us see how many targets it has given. So all the 3 targets have been achieved in the big target in second cell. So I will enable first cell targets, and I will make it big 2 targets. See here, all the 3 targets have been achieved successfully in the big 2 targets. So how many points you have got the profit? 7170 to 6829. So how many points? So I will take the help from the calculator and I will show you how much profit we could have made. 7170 minus 6829. 341 points profit. 341 points profit per lot, per single lot. Is it possible to book this many points in a single trade? Definitely not. It is not possible for a normal traders or a small traders to book these many points in a single trade. Okay, it depends on your patience, it depends on your stability in trading. Okay, so this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. So both the scenario I have explained to you, with buffer and without buffer. With buffer also you are in a huge profit, and without buffer also first SL hit and second sell activated and all the targets have been hit. And see, after hitting our third target at a 6834, market has reversed back up to how many points? 64. So from 34 to 64. So 30 points it has given the reversal point. So hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We are ready to help you. Now I have reset the entries. I am clearing all the drawings. I show you for the other script also. So what happened in the copper? See here in copper, exactly first buy got activated and all the targets hit. Okay. So what I said, if buy activated, there is no sell that day. If sell activated, there is no buy that day. That you should not forget. Then gold. Everything I'm keeping in what? Default setting. So exactly here, sell activated and all the targets have been hit. See the fall. What I said, if sell activated, there is no buy that day. Next one, silver. First buy activated. See here, first buy activated. It has given small points. Let me show you whether we got the profit or not in the entry. I will make it clear now. See here, we have got almost 90% in the first buy entry, but we should not consider this target hit. So SL hit. So next what happened? Immediately our second sell activated here. Then all the targets have been achieved. See the fall. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. So I was showing you silver, copper, everything. So this one I will reset. So here also first buy SL hit and second sell, all the targets have been hit. So nickel also we are in a profit. So let us see natural gas. So in natural gas what you have to do, we have to keep it in normal mode because the price of the natural gas is very small. So we have to click normal SL and normal targets. So here what happened? First sell activated, then target is not given. So second buy activated, all the targets have been achieved. So now how to see that? So remove this second buy and second buy SL, remove this and remove everything. See here, second buy activated here, second buy activated and all the targets have been achieved. So after reaching third target, then it is coming down. So if we are getting a single target in a day, that is enough for us. 325 to 327. 2 points you have got. 2 points means 2500 in a single trade. So you take any script and book first target as least and exit from the market and do your work. So let us see in Bank Nifty what happened. In Bank Nifty, I will keep it in reset default settings and see here. So here buy activated and immediately target given. Immediately target given. Then it has given one low. That low is not our stop loss. Again see here none of the candle has closed below. Then it has shooted up. So all our targets have been hit. So this is how we have to trade. And this I have kept a tiny SL. So if you want you can keep it in small SL. And if you can keep it in small targets. So we can consider buy got activated. I will remove everything except the buy. So now you see how many targets we have achieved. So of course small targets, all the targets have been achieved. So I am showing in big 2 targets. So big 2 targets have been achieved. So let me show you smaller than the big targets, that is big 2. So in big 2, so we have got all the targets achieved. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. The concept is very simple. If we are trading in, if you suppose buy activated, then wait for the first target. If SL hit, go for the reversal entry and wait for the first target. And if you want to book more profit, then what you can do, just revise your stop loss according to the super trending event. See here we have given in the that is there in other indicator. Okay, what you can do, you can add moving average 9. Moving average 9 you can add. So accordingly, whenever candle is not closed below that, you can be in the buy trend. Whenever candle is not closed above the 9 moving average, you can be in sell trend. So that is the concept behind our indicator. So for any doubts, please ask us. We are ready to help you. And what is the other advantages we are having in the iCore 3.0, that I will put one more video in the next few minutes. Okay, thank you all. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.